3/11/11, an 8.9 earthquake strikes Japan. Do I think it's a coincidence? And it's just nature and it just happened? Absolutely not. I went over to Raylan Allen's site this morning, and someone put up a statement by Benjamin Fulford, and he is making the statement that this earthquake with this tremendous magnitude was caused by underground bases in the West. And if you know anything about Benjamin Fulford, he knows a lot. He is in Japan. He blames this on the Bush family crime cabal. Yesterday I put an article up about planet Earth, the cemetery planet. This is what they are trying to do with their earthquake weapons. They are trying to cause so much massive chaos and destruction to implement their evil magic upon the planet. They know what's coming in their futures, and they're trying to head it off. They know what's coming in our futures, and they're trying to head that off also. They have absolutely no regard for life whatsoever. This made me very angry this morning. It's time for these people to get what's coming to them. I feel so sorry for the people in Japan. As usual, when these black magic Atlantean type of weapons are used, it's always the innocent people that suffer. Always. I'll put a link up for you.